Hey, Justin here, back to talk about anchor fingers with your E chord and the A and the D that you've learned already. So starting off on our E chord, if we're going to an A chord, we're going to leave first finger down because first finger is still our anchor, and we're going to slide it up halfway to in the second fret and then put down fingers 2 and 3 for our A chord. To go back to E, second and third fingers off, slide it back, drop it back down again. So that's the first thing you really want to practice, that sliding that first finger up, put the fingers down, and then lift them off back to the E chord. Okay, so E to A, really nice change. It just involves a 1 fret slide there with the first finger. When we're going to the D chord, it's the same kind of idea. First finger's going to slide up. This time it's going to slide right up to the second fret. Second and third fingers go down for the D chord. So second and third fingers off, slide it back to the first fret. Second and third fingers go down for the E. Up, slide it forward, put the fingers down and off. And it's a really, you're going to want to do a little bit of practice on this before you get stuck into your 1 minute changes. Just to get used to the feeling of sliding that first finger back to the first fret and forward again. Just the same with the D chord, we just had to, the A to D change, we only had to move that first finger a little bit within the second fret. Now we've got to slide it way back, right into the first fret, and then put those fingers down. Now, depending on where you're at with your chord changes, you might find that you're putting the fingers down in order, and that's okay. Okay, the best, if you're not putting them down all at once, you want to put them down in finger order. So first finger's there, second finger, third finger. Go to the A, lift them off, first finger slides forward, second finger, third finger down. Back to the E, off, slide it back, second finger, third finger. To the D chord, take them off, first finger, second finger, third finger. Okay, long term, they'll go together. So when you're changing between your chords, the other fingers, or in fact all the fingers, will eventually go down at the same time. But at the beginner stages, you want to be thinking always in terms of fingers 1, 2, and 3. So there's a pattern, so there's a method, there's something to follow, and you're confident you know which ones you're going to do when.